Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add guest name on booking.com. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, give your sign-in details and sign in into your booking.com account. Now on your screen, you can see options like search, saved, bookings and profile. Go to profile. Under profile, you can see options like manage your account, rewards and wallets, etc. Select manage your account. Under manage your account, at the end, you can see other travelers option right below email notification. Once you tap on other travelers, at the end of your screen, you can see add a new traveler. There, all you have to do is give your details asked by the app, then confirm that you're authorized to provide the personal data of any crew traveler, including children, to booking.com for the service. Then tap on save. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a guest name on booking.com. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.